So today I'm going to walk you through our Essentials Pneumatics Training Kit, and this is going to give you a full unboxing, an overview of some of the components and a quick look at how it all comes together for teaching. So straight out of the box you'll find everything needed to deliver core pneumatics training in a lab or a classroom environment. The first thing that we've got is a modular baseboard system. So that comes in one of the boxes that you'll receive. Then you've got a full set of industrial grade pneumatics components. Let's take a look in here. So in here, you've got various different types of components. We'll have a look at some of them individually in a moment or two. The same in the second box over here, you've got several more components in here. So valves in the top there, then you've got tubing in the underneath along with your fixings so that components can be fixed to the modular base system. Components included here, such as 5-2 control valves. These allow us to direct airflow and precisely control that motion. These are fundamental in automation systems where sequencing and repeatability are critical. We've also got flow control valves, which regulate the speed of the actuators, and all of the components are industrial grade. So in real world applications, we can ensure that these can be used to teach how smooth, safe operation can be conducted, whether it's slowing down a production arm, whether it's controlling the speed of a door, or anything similar to that. Okay, so let's take a closer look at some of the components in here. Okay, so we've got a 5-2 valve. Okay, so 5-2 valve here that has the switches on the end. Yeah, that's dead easy. You've got plenty of those in there for running your experimentation. In this box here, we have the cylinders. So you've got single acting cylinders and double acting cylinders. They look fairly identical on the face of it. However, if you look at the pneumatic symbols that are imprinted on the base, just underneath here, you'll see that that denotes which type of cylinder it is that you've got. There are additional components underneath this box as well. So you have a reservoir component here. Okay, you have your manifold, and the manifold is key because the manifold connects up to a compressor. So we supply this small compressor. This runs at something like 4 to 6 bar when it's running this system from ourselves. But you can also connect up your own compressed air feeds into this and run it off your own systems. So all the components come nicely housed in grapnels trays like these, so they can be stored away in the classroom. Everything connects up to the base, and essentially that's what you've got with the pneumatics kit from Matrix.